So for the water contaminants, first is biological contaminants, which include organisms that live in water like bacteria, parasites, viruses, and protozoan. Another is chemical contaminants, which include compounds or elements found in water like metals, salts, toxins, pesticides, bleach, and more. Third is physical contaminants, which change the physical properties or appearance of water. It includes sediment and other organic matter. Fourth is radiological contaminants. Unstable chemical elements with an unbalanced amount of neutrons or protons can cause a radiological contamination like uranium, plutonium, or cesium.
The water treatment process, coagulation and flocculation. This is where liquid aluminum sulfate and polymer is added to untreated water. Next is sedimentation. The pH is adjusted and the water is rapidly mixed with aluminum sulfate. That helps impurities stick together to form bigger particles called floc. Next is filtration. The clear water passes through filters of varying composition. Lastly, disinfection. A disinfectant is added in order to kill any remaining parasites, bacteria, and viruses to protect the water from germs when it is piped to homes and businesses. The chemistry of the atmosphere.
The first atmosphere was formed by outgassing of gases trapped in the interior of the early Earth, which still goes on today in volcanoes. The early Earth extreme volcanism occurred during differentiation, when massive heating and fluid-like motion in the mantle occurred. It is likely that the bulk of the atmosphere was derived from degassing early in the Earth's history.
Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores may be suspended as particles. Ozone, a gas, is a major part of air pollution in the cities. When ozone forms air pollution, it is also called as smog.
Carbon monoxide.
A highly toxic and dangerous pollutant infamous for its lack of identifying color and smell. It is produced by combustion engines running without modern catalytic converters. It can have a profound effect on the environment as it is extremely poisonous and can contribute to very dangerous ground-level air and ozone conditions.
Lead.
Has long been known to be a dangerous substance. One commonplace is nearly all gas and aviation fuels. There has since been tremendous effort to reduce the amount of lead found in these substances. It is present in some aircraft fuels. It has a profound effect upon natural ecosystems.
Ozone.
One of the major protections mankind has against harmful solar radiation, formed by chemical reactions between multiple different oxides found in the air. Ozone is a dangerous substance for most living organisms and such as an increase in ground level.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen dioxide, like many other pollutants, is most often released into the atmosphere by burning of fossil fuels in car and airplane engines, factories, and power plants. It has the propensity to react with other agents to form nitric acid and organic nitrates, contributing to the formation of acid rain.
Sulfur dioxide.
Is a substance most closely associated with steam age and locomotives as the biggest culprit in its production and coal combustion. Locomotives, ships, planes, and other equipment still produce huge volume of sulfur dioxide. Can bring respiratory, eye, heart, and circulatory problems.
Particulate matter.
Is a lot more visible and tangible than the components listed above, but it is no less dangerous or harmful. It is produced by nearly every single process involving chemicals and fuels. It ranges from annoying to extremely dangerous, often hampering visibility on roads and causing respiratory problems.
Global warming is a scientific phenomenon linking an increase of the average Earth temperature because of the trapping of radiation within the Earth like a greenhouse. The greenhouse effect is the warming of climates that results when the atmosphere traps heat radiating from Earth towards space. The gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons.